I'm Brittany Brumis, and this is Soul Magic Yoga. Please hit the subscribe button.
We are going to practice Swara yoga. And what that is it's just yoga of the breath. So you're using different types of breaths in poses to increase or decrease the effects of the pose. You're focusing your breath on different areas of the body. And it creates a different emotional response, and it creates a different physiological response in the body. So what we're going to do is, well, I'll just explain. There's basically 3 categories, and then there are different types of breaths in each category. So you have a high breath, and this is a breath that is going to release a lot of emotions, a lot of like pent-up energy. This is a breath that you'll notice that you'll use a lot naturally. Like if you're, crying, or you're kind of having a panic attack, or something extremely emotional is happening, then you will breathe really high into the body. And by high, I mean, up here in this area and up. So you're breathing into your clavicles, and into your throat, into your shoulders. And then you come down and you have what's called a middle breath. So this is a breath that's more in the chest and in the diaphragm area. So this whole area. Breathing here begins to kind of take control over your emotions. So you kind of start to get a grasp of them a little better. You're not just releasing energy and emotion, through breathing up here, where it's just coming out of you and you have no control over it. Now you're starting to kind of gain control over your emotions. And then when we come down to a low breath, so this is more of our lower abdominal area, and these are actually breaths that we very rarely take, but are the most beneficial and probably the best type of breath to be taking all the time. So many benefits. But when we're breathing in here, this is a natural pain suppressive. So, you ever stubbed your toe really bad, or, gotten really hurt, and you're just, taking those big deep breaths to kind of focus your attention away from your throbbing toe and, kind of collect yourself. So that's where, that low breath comes in. This is also very common in any kind of relaxation thing. You take deep breaths to relax. You're having a bad day, you just breathe, you take deep breaths, and you're always breathing into that low belly. This also kind of starts to take over physical impulses. It helps you kind of regain control over those.
Thank you so much for watching. Inspire me to make more videos. Please comment and subscribe.